Itchy. Tater. How's my boy? How's my... You have white feathers on your feet. You're Tater. Hi. Oh, hello, Lila. Oh. Well, hello. And we have a needy dog over here. We have Tater and his girl. Nobody messes with Dickens. Oh. Oh. Well, hello, Dickens. Hello, Goldie. And Lacey. Goldie's such a sweet girl. Nobody's panting right now because it's early enough to where it's not crazy. Tater. I'm not going to hurt Dickens. My goodness. You don't need to do the Tater dance. She's fine. Huh, Dickens. Do you get annoyed? You're so pretty. Look at her face. She just has these really pretty, unique markings. Are you wearing a mask? Are you wearing an opera mask? Hi, Goldie. Hi, pretty girl. Lila. Hi, Lacey. Okay, Lila. Thank you. Yep. Here's my pretty Goldie. You're looking so much better. Yeah. We've been hosing everything down. She loves to put her feet in the water. Yeah, look at how pink your face is. You're so pretty, Goldie. Whenever I talk sweet to her, she always